Welcome to SeveUp app. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to go about creating and uploading a BIM model to your first project in SeveUp app. So let's get right to it. First of all, you are going to open up the app and click on Project tab. Next, click on Create Project and then click on New Empty Project. Then enter a name. I'm going to make it really easy on myself and I'm going to put something like my new project right in here. You can add a description or a cover image at this stage. To add a cover image, just click on the attach file icon on the right. Then click on either local source to upload it from your computer or directly from an online source. That is entirely up to you. Always choose JPEG or PNG file and then click on Open. After this, click on Create. And your new project will be saved and ready to use. Now we can move on to uploading a BIM model. First, go to BIM models and click on that. As you can see, I have a lot of BIM models already loaded up here in my library. But for now, I'm going to upload a brand new one. So I go to Upload BIM Model at the top of the folder. Next, you can choose the model type. As you can see, there's a lot of different ones up here. ARC, EHV, etc. I'm going to choose ARC for now. Next, click on the Attach File icon on the right to select BIM model. Again, this can be either from your computer or from an online source. Select the IFC file that you want and click on Open. Now I'm going to choose a name. I'm just going to use the same name as my BIM model file name that I have used previously. And then once you've chosen the name, click Create. As you can see, the file that I have uploaded is sitting right at the top of my list here. Now, if I click on it, all of the details will come up. Here you can see that under the Jobs tab, it's showing a loading line. When this turns into a green tick, like this one, it means that your BIM model is uploaded and ready to go. Now, let's link this BIM model to the new project that we have just created. Now, in order to do this, we're gonna have to head back into our projects folder and then click on BIM Models tab right here. Then click on Add BIM Model. Here you can select one of BIM models inside your library, or you can upload a new one. Click on the small square icon, which will take you to a list of all of the models that you have available in your library. You can sort this by name, revisions, model type, or even milestones. If you know the name of the file, you can just type it directly into the name bar and it'll search the library for the files with similar names. Once you've located a file that you want, then highlight it and press OK. You can also choose a specific revision of the BIM model if you want. Otherwise, the latest revision will be used by default. Then just click on Create. Now, this will take you back to the project details page, where the BIM model will show up in your list. However, you need to click on your project folder and go back into the new project. Then it will update it fully and the new BIM model will be included. Now, there you have it. That is all for today. Obviously, this is just the start. Now, if you want to find out how to link a BIM dashboard, you need to go and watch this video right here.